All right. Hi, my name is Garrett Griffith. I am a technical writer at cPanel, and today I'm going to be talking about Git basics for non-technical audiences. An explanation for the rest of us. It's come up a couple of times at previous Write the Docs conferences that the basics are usually glossed over, and we need to kind of focus on that. And so I put together a little lightning talk. Today, I want to try and keep it simple. Use concepts we already know to explain some basic Git commands. So if you know how to save a file, you meet the prerequisites for this talk, and I'm just going to frame it a little differently and then put it all together. So I think we've all saved a file from time to time. You have a file, you open it up, you add some content, and you click save. So the content has changed, but the name on the file is the same. What if we thought about it in a little bit of a different way? If we took a file, created like a staging kind of environment area, added our content, and then click save. So like over time, you kind of have four states. You have this, time zero where nothing's changed. The first sort of like setting it up where the content isn't changed, but you have this new kind of like place to put content. You have the changes you've made and then the actual like saving of the file. So we have these four different states. It'll help to kind of conceptualize this idea if we just focus on one at a time. This is like, again, where you're creating an environment where you're going to manipulate a file. The actual changes to the file. This is sort of like a little bit of a different idea where you like bundle it all up. And then finally saving. So these all have sort of Git equivalents. So if you're with me so far, so good. Okay, cool. I know I'm a little outside the box, but this in Git is just git pull, git checkout, new branch. You're setting up the environment, getting ready for changes. The next thing you do, you change the files just like you normally would locally. And then this bundling is git add and then git commit. That gets it ready to be stamped on top of the file, git push. And that's it. You know what I mean? Yeah, there we go. That's it. That's 75% of your day-to-day operations. There is other stuff like setting up your remote repositories and creating and switching branches, but that is a day-to-day thing. The stuff we covered today is like 75% of your day-to-day. The other stuff, the setting up remotes, you do one time, and then branches could be like another little lightning talk. But like if you go to the terminal and the command line and enter git help, you get a huge output. I'm telling you that like all you need is these 6 commands for your day-to-day operations. That's pretty much it. Yeah, thank you.